Hello everybody, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Saturday, December 21st, show number 596. Here are the two words for today. The first one is a family member. And the second one means to be very, very good. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob is my brother. Bob is my brother. Brother. He is a person, and we have the same mother and father. Now let's make a flashcard for brother and remember it forever. Please write brother up here in the top left corner. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. And down here, the category is FAM1. This means family, level 1. Over here in the bottom right corner, the number is 2 out of 19. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner of the card. Here it is. Brother. Brother. What about you? Do you have a brother? Do you want a brother? Please let me know in the comment section. Now let's learn word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The food is awesome. The food is awesome. Awesome. This means the food is very good. It is delicious, tasty. Do you like awesome food? Now let's make a flashcard for awesome and remember it forever. Please write the basic form, be awesome, up here in the top left corner. We use be because this is an adjective. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category, A1. This means adjectives, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number is 4 out of, correct, 88. And up here in the top right corner, let's write the IPA. I will show it to you now. Here it is. Can you say it? Very good. Awesome. Awesome. Class is over. It's time to go. Today we learned Bob is my brother. Very good. And the food is awesome. Very nice. See you tomorrow, everybody. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is, for example, cards, playing cards. If you have all of them, it is a, very nice. Jennifer has a husband, so she is, correct. And the last one is an adverb. It means really. You're doing really well, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. And if you are a new student, welcome to our vocabulary school. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. This is Level 1. It's a complete 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day. Here's our schedule for December until the 25th. And we begin again on January 1st. You can learn English here. You only need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. You study for 2 years, and then it's graduation time. Please learn these. We use them very much. And when you make the card, please write your language on the other side of the card. What language do you speak? Let me know in the comments. You can meet a speaking partner with this hashtag and practice the words that you learn. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow.